Okay, students. So next we have to go for your titration. Before going to that, we have to know some theory about your titration and some basic concept related to titration. Clear? So before going to that, you have to know what is concentration and how to measure the concentration. So concentration is amount of solute, generally amount of solute present per liter of solution. The amount of solute present in a solution, हम बोल सकते हैं directly. You can tell that amount of solute present in a solution is known as concentration. Next, how can you measure the concentration? The concentration measurement we are doing by some term which you will use in your titration process. Normality, molarity, another one is molality. Normality, molarity, molality. So before proceeding to normality, we have to know how to, or what is equivalent mass and how to find the equivalent mass. How to find equivalent mass. See carefully. Equivalent mass, there are so many methods are there. So I am going for a direct method, that is molar mass by N. That means, what is N? N is number of electron transfer. Number of electron transfer, that is your N. So we have to go for how to find equivalent mass, then we will go for this. So let I am writing aluminium chloride. So how to find the equivalent mass of aluminium chloride? So aluminium chloride, this is a molecule. When it breaks down, it will give a cation and as well as anion. Aluminium 3 plus 3Cl minus. Okay. Normally again I am telling you how to break the molecule, because कोई भी molecule कैसे easily break किया जाता है. This is 1 3. This is one element. I can write A X B Y. A X B Y. So this is element A. This is X. यहाँ जैसे 1 है. This is X. This is B. This is chlorine. This is Y. That is 3 here. ये जब dissociate होगा, how it is dissociated? So this will come here. So this is X A, and this will come here. This is Y B. This will become its charge. This will become its charge. That means this is Y plus X minus A X B Y. This X will come here whenever it is dissociated. So X A, Y will become its charge. This Y will come here, X will become its charge. And the first one is the positive charge, second one is the negative charge. Similarly, I am splitting here. So 1 will come here. So 1Al, this will become its charge, 3 plus. Then 3Cl, 1 minus. So equivalent mass I have written molar mass by N. N is number of electron transferred. So initially we have aluminium, now we are getting aluminium 3 plus. So how many electron transferred? Obviously 3 electron. Because by losing 1 electron, this become 1 positively charged. जब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज होता है, एक पॉजिटिव बनता है, तो 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हुए, that's why 3 positive. So number of electron transferred become 3. Now, so what is equivalent mass? Molecular mass or molar mass. So 1 aluminium mass plus 3 chlorine mass divided by 3. Number of electron transfer is 3. 27 plus 35.5, 1 mass of chlorine into 3 divided by 3. This is 27 106.5 plus 27 divided by 3. So 133.5 divided by 3. This is 44.5. So this is the way how to find equivalent mass of aluminium chloride. Another example I am giving. Let I go for aluminium sulfate. How to get this? Break 2Al. This will become its charge. That is 3 plus 3SO4 2 minus. So what is the number of electron transfer that we can calculate from charge? 1 aluminium, how many charge? 3 plus. So 2 aluminium, what is the charge? N equal to 6. Number of electron transfer equal to 6. Then what is the equivalent mass? Equivalent mass is equal to molar mass divided by N, that is 6. Molar mass, if you add everything, you will get 342 by 6, that is 57 you are getting for aluminium sulfate. So this is the way how to find your equivalent mass for a compound. Okay, next. So now we will go for its concentration part, normality. So यहाँ normality formula क्या है? It is the gram equivalent of the solute. Gram equivalent of the solute present per liter of solution. Gram equivalent of the solute present per liter of the solution. That means what is the formula? Weight by gram equivalent. So equivalent is related to equivalent, gram means equivalent mass. So weight by equivalent mass into 1000 by V in ml. If this volume is in liter, you have to use 1 here. So this is the formula for your normality. Then we will go for the next term. What is this? Molarity. So it is the number of moles of solute because it is related to mole. It is the number of moles of solute present per liter of solution. Then what is the formula? So molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. What is the concentration formula I told? Number of moles per volume. Then what is the formula of number of moles? That is given mass by molar mass. So I can write weight by molar mass into 1 by or 1000 by V in ml. 1 by V in liter or 1000 by V in ml. So difference is molarity and normality. The difference is here molar mass, here equivalent mass. We have to see what is the difference. Molar mass, equivalent mass. Other part are remain same in this. So we will see one. Just we will solve one question. The question solve करें देखिए केमती normality और molarity find करा जाऊँगी. Again I am telling you formula. This is weight by molar mass. This is weight by equivalent mass. 1000 by V in ml, 1000 by V in ml. Okay. So we will solve a question based on this. So let it is given 4.9 gram of H2SO4 present in 2 200 ml of water. Find its normality, molarity. Okay, first we'll go for what is the equivalent mass of H2SO4. Equivalent mass of H2SO4, because normality we have to use equivalent mass. Normality equivalent mass हम use करेंगे. So what is the formula? H2SO4 the break होगा क्या देगा? What it will give on the beta 2H plus SO4 2 minus. तो either तुम्हें positive charge नहीं हो और negative charge नहीं हो. तो what is the number of electron transferred? 2. So what is its equivalent mass? I will write the formula what? Molar mass by number of electron transferred is 2. If we add H2SO4, molar mass we will find 2 hydrogen 2, 1 sulfur mass is 32, 1 oxygen 16, 4 oxygen 64, that is 98. So 98 by 2, how much you are getting? 49. That is your equivalent mass of H2SO4. Now we have to see, or we have to put the formula. Okay, so what is normality? Given weight, what is the weight given in the question? 4.9 gram. Then what is your equivalent mass? You have calculated now 49 into 1000 by volume in ml of the solution. Solution का volume कितना है? 200 ml. This is 200. So if you calculate this, this is 5, 10. 1 by 2. That means 0.5 n. 0.5 normal solution. So this is, we have calculated normality. If we go for molarity, what is the formula? Given weight by which mass? Molecular mass into 1000 by V in ml. So what is the given weight given in the question? 4.9 by molecular mass how much? You have calculated, this is 98 into 1000 by 200. So this is 5, this is 20. That is 1 by 4, that is 0.25 m. 0.25 m. So this is the way how we are calculating molarity and normality of a given solution. कैसे हम find करते हैं normality, molarity. Then we will go for next one is, let another one I am just solving. Whatever you will calculate in your titration process also. Let it is written, I am writing that 6.3 gram of oxalic acid present in 250 ml of the solution. What is its normality? What is its molarity? Okay. Oxalic acid here in hydrate form we are taking COOH dot 2H2O. This is the formula of oxalic acid. So if you calculate all the mass, you are getting 126 gram. It is the molecular mass of or molar mass of oxalic acid. So what is the equivalent mass? हम देखेंगे. That is molecular mass or molar mass by number of electron transfer. So what is the, इसको अगर break करेंगे, this is water of crystallization. This will not break. तो carboxylic acid जब break होता है क्या देता है? COO minus, and how many H plus you will get? You will get 2H plus. That means अगर negative charge में count करूँगा -1, This is minus 2. That means number of electrons transferred how much? Either you take positive or you take negative. Positive near or negative near, सेठी तुम जानी पारियो केतरा transfer हेची. So it is +2, otherwise -2. means number of electron transferred 2. So what is this equivalent mass? 126 by number of electron how much? 2. So this is how much gram? 63 gram. So we will go for normality now. What is normality? Given weight by equivalent mass into 1000 by V in ml. So this is 6.3. Given weight how much given? 6.3 by equivalent mass is 63. Again 1000 by 250. यहाँ पर volume of the solution given. See here, it is given 250. So 6.3 by 63, 1000 by 250. So this is coming 410. So that is 0.4 normal. And if I will go for its molarity, this is what? Given weight by molecular mass into 1000 by V in ml. So what is the given weight? 6.3. What is the molecular mass? 126. 1000 by 250. And you are getting 0.2 N. 0.2 N. Okay? So in this way you have to calculate normality, molarity. And the last term I am telling you. Okay. What is the formula you got here? Equivalent mass, molecular mass is equal to, you are getting N into equivalent mass. N into equivalent mass. Okay. On that basis, we can find a relationship between normality and molarity. We can find the relationship between normality and molarity. Normality and molarity के बीच में relationship कैसे find करेंगे? See, let I am taking what is the formula of normality? Given weight by which mass? Equivalent mass into 1000 by V in ml. And molarity is equal to weight by which mass? Molecular mass into 1000 by V in ml. Assume this weight is same. दोनों में weight same है and volume same है. Just we are taking that into account. दोनों को अगर constant कर दिया जाता है, so can I write N? Sorry, here I am writing molarity is equal to weight. Sorry, normality is equal to weight by, what is the formula of equivalent mass? Molecular mass by N into 1000 by V in ml. एटी कौन बोले वो equivalent mass प्लेस रे पके देली तार फॉर्मूला टा molecular mass by N. Okay, तो N वर्तन अपने बोलेला तो N equal to N into weight by molecular mass into 1000 by V in ml. So weight by molecular mass into 1000 by V in ml क्या होता है? देखो यहाँ पर weight by molecular mass 1000 by V in ml का हम बोलते हैं. We are calling this molarity. So what is N? N into M. So normality is equal to N into molarity. So this is the way how we are calculating normality, molarity, then relationship between normality, molarity we are calculating in this way.